Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch GT 2 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press any of the buttons, then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Now let's open the settings by tapping the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll down and select volume. And here we have volume option. Let's tap on it. And now we can adjust the volume by tapping on the icons on the top and bottom, like this. Or we can just swipe up and down on the slider, right here. And once you're done, just swipe right on the screen to go back. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.